Hello, this short video is dealing with Google Tasks, actually Google Calendar and Google Tasks and events and email. So all these things together and how they can work and not work. So let's say we have an email that we want to put some kind of reference to it on the calendar. So if we send email, I'll just send myself a test email, testing calendar events. That's good enough right there. So let's say we send this email and we have this email right here. Okay, let's say we wanted to have this email be referenced on our calendar at some point in time. Okay, so one of the things we could do is click on the calendar icon here. So we click on the calendar icon, it opens up our calendar. We go ahead and click at any time we want to set it up, and it drops the subject of the line here, which is great. And let's say we say save, and there it is right there. The problem is if you go to this calendar event, you can see it has no connection to this Gmail at all. If we go to our calendar, for example, we can see this event here, but if we open it, there's no links to anything related to this Gmail. So that's the problem. We're not tied to the email. So let's go ahead and delete this one. Now let's go back to the Gmail and see what other options we have. So that was the calendar option. Another option we have is task, because it would be nice to set it up so we can then indicate when we're done. So if we open up the email right there, click on tasks, then we say add a task, it goes ahead and adds it right here. We can put in a title. In this case, it doesn't grab the title, so let's say testing calendar event. We can put any other information we want. Let's just say it's today, okay? Good enough. Then we go back to the calendar, and we can see we have this testing calendar event, which is attached, which is wonderful. But again, it doesn't have any connection to the Gmail itself. So we cannot get all the details from there. It did set up the task, but it's not linked to email, which makes it not ideal. So is it possible to do it? The answer is yes. Let's go ahead and do it the proper way. So we have the email open, then instead of clicking on any of these things on the right side, we click here to add to tasks. We click on add to task icon, it drops it in there, it puts in the subject line from the email itself there, which is great. And then we can indicate, let's say we're going to do it today at the 30th at, let's say, 11 a.m. for example. Done. That's it. So now we have it here in tasks. If we go back to our calendar, several things happen. We can see we have this event here at 11 a.m., which is exactly what we wanted. If we click on it, obviously we can check it off to say it's done. We click on it, we have all the basic information we entered, which wasn't much, but if we wanted to, we could. And then over here, you see it says here, testing calendar events, which is the subject line with a little envelope, which is basically a link to the email. So if we click on it, it'll open up Gmail and put us directly into that particular email. That's how you get events onto your calendar that would actually be tasks, not just events, but tasks. And then you can easily get back to the email from the calendar itself by clicking on this link. And one thing you can also do here is if you click on the edit task, you can then add a deadline, you can add description, you can add Google Drive attachment. All of this can be done from here. And of course, when you get done, you just simply click that you're done and you're done. That's how you can easily link your Gmails with your calendar events, so you can easily get back and forth between the two. That's it for today. I hope you find it helpful. Till next time, I'm Oleg.
Welcome to the PCS YouTube channel. Make sure to like this video and share it with all of your friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content.